I discovered a way to turn a handful of essential oils and a simple powder into a spa-level body wash, and I wasn't expecting it to work this well. Hi, I'm Shyla from Simply Earth, and when I came across this recipe, I had to give it a try. A body wash that energizes your mind and pampers your skin? Yes, please. Because most of the store-bought body washes are packed with harsh chemicals, synthetic fragrances. This one, all natural, no junk, and totally DIY. Here's how I made it. Start with 2/3 cup of distilled water and 1 tablespoon of the body wash powder. This combo creates a gentle foaming cleanser that washes away dirt while nourishing your skin with minerals. Give it a good shake and let it sit for 6 hours so that the powder activates properly. I'm gonna go ahead and add my water to my bottle first. The body wash powder and the water are going to mix, and it's gonna get thick, and so the formula is going to rise to the top. So we actually did this on purpose to make sure that we have enough room for the body wash. Go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of the body wash powder base. It ends up being the entire package, so if you wanna go ahead and rip it and just pour it in, that may be easier than trying to put it in like this. All right, now that I have my body wash powder in my bottle, I'm gonna go ahead and give this a shake. I'm gonna go ahead and let this sit for about 6 hours so that the powder activates properly. Next, I'm gonna mix together my essential oils and my almond oil. The almond oil is deeply hydrating for your skin, it softens it, and it adds soothing antioxidant power to every wash. Now, you're gonna add the blend to the bottle. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of almond oil, and I'm gonna go ahead and add my essential oils to that almond oil so that they can combine. Then I'm gonna add this mixture to my body wash bottle. So we're gonna add 18 drops of our Resilience essential oil blend. This essential oil blend has whole wood, frankincense, black spruce, and blue tansy. All of these essential oils are super skin nourishing, and it also smells amazing. You'll notice that this blend has a blue tint to it. It's because of the blue tansy essential oil. It may turn your body wash a tiny bit blue, but don't worry, this isn't gonna stain your skin or anything. Next, I'm going to add 9 drops of peppermint. Peppermint is super invigorating and just adds a really great scent to this body wash. I'm gonna add 9 drops of peppermint. Next, I'm going to add 6 drops of Balsam Fir. Balsam Fir, another antimicrobial and super skin nourishing essential oil. And last but not least, I'm gonna add Cajeput. Cajeput is super invigorating again and can be skin nourishing. I'm gonna go ahead and give this mixture a little stir to make sure that the essential oils are evenly incorporated. Now I'm gonna add my almond and essential oil to my body wash base. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and add my mixture. My cap on. Go ahead and give this a little shake again and let this sit. You've got your own energizing all-natural body wash. To use, lather onto your skin or your washcloth, apply to wet skin, and rinse off. Pretty cool, right? And if you want to make this Resilience Start body wash yourself, it's super easy, especially with the Simply Earth recipe box. You'll get everything you need to whip up natural, non-toxic skincare, cleaning, or wellness products right at home. And when you subscribe, you get a free big bonus box to kickstart your DIY journey. You can find this recipe and more at simplyearth.com. And remember, making is healing. Let's see how it turned out. Wow, it smells absolutely amazing. I'm really excited to see how this works in the shower. It has super great lather, and I'm really excited to try this out in the shower later today. It smells like a walk in the forest. Clean, crisp, and grounding. My skin is gonna feel super smooth, fresh, and completely recharged. Seriously, this feels like something you'd wanna buy at a luxury spa, but you got to make it at home. If this worked for me, it'll work for you too. Try it yourself and let me know how it goes. Share your creation with the hashtag I made this and tag from Simply Earth, and you could win a $100 gift card and get featured on our site. If you want more easy, fun, toxin-free DIYs, subscribe to the Simply Earth recipe box. See you in the next video, and thanks for watching.